So now let us see how we can work with pages inside of Canva. So I already have a page opened, as you can see right over here. And by default, only one page is seen. If you want to zoom in and zoom out, then you can use this zoom panel right here, just like this, and zoom around just like this. So let's say now the zoom level is 50%. I can turn it into 100% or click on this button right over here to zoom it even further in just like this. You can also adjust the full screen from right over here. You can also go over here and then hold the control key on your keyboard and use the scroll mouse button to scroll around the zoom in and zoom out, just like that as well. So you can use the scroll mouse button to move this up and down as well. So let me just go over here and change it into something like 125%. Now over here, you can see on the bottom hand side, you can add new pages. So you can click on it and new page has been added. You can also click it again and another page has been added over here just like that. So you can click and drag any of the elements right over here. And let's see now how we can change the order of the pages. So here you can see that you have an option to add notes on the pages. You can move this up, and as you do that, you can see that the pages move up and down right over here just like this. You can copy out the page by pressing this button right over here to copy, and then you can click delete page to delete out that page right over here. And you can also press this button to add a new page, that is to add a new blank page. So just like that, you can work around with the Canva pages right over here. You can go over here and rename each of the pages as well. For example, this is an oval page, let's say for example, and here it is going to be the content. So you can say something like front, back, center, and so forth to distinguish the pages from each other. So these are the options which are provided. If you were to click on move down, you can see that it moves the object down again and the page number changes right over there, but the title stays the same. So these are the options that are provided as well. You can also add in comments over here. So let's say you're collaborating with friends and so forth, then you can add in comment like, please add in the logo here, just like this, and click on comment. And now the other person will be able to see that comment, or you can add in comments for yourself to remember for future updates as well. So these are the options right over here. And as you click on check mark just like that, the comment gets resolved and it gets hidden. And that is how you work around with pages in Canva.